Have you ever wondered about the hidden gems in Portugal? Well, let's take a journey off the beaten path, away from the bustling streets of Lisbon and the tourist-packed beaches of the Algarve. Portugal is a treasure trove teeming with lesser-known sites that are just as enchanting, if not more so, than the well-trodden hotspots. Imagine strolling through charming villages untouched by time, exploring mystical forests that could be straight out of a fairy tale, or discovering tranquil islands where the pace of life slows down to a blissful crawl. These are the hidden gems of Portugal, unique and beautiful in their own right, offering experiences that you won't find in your typical travel guide. Every corner of this country is brimming with history, culture, and natural beauty, waiting to be discovered. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey to uncover these hidden treasures of Portugal. Imagine a village where houses are squeezed between, on, and underneath giant boulders. Welcome to Monsanto, a remarkable place where the hand of man and the ruggedness of nature have come together to craft a truly unique landscape. Nestled in the Portuguese countryside, Monsanto is renowned for its peculiar architecture. Houses here aren't built, they're carved into, perched on, and tucked beneath mammoth granite boulders that have been standing for millennia. A walk through the narrow, winding streets feels like a journey back in time, offering glimpses into a way of life that has endured for centuries. The village's history is as rich as its landscape is unique. From the ancient castle that stands sentinel above the village to the local traditions that color daily life, Monsanto is an embodiment of timeless Portugal. And don't forget the gastronomy. Monsanto's traditional fare is a treat to the senses, with robust flavors that mirror the village's hearty spirit. Monsanto, a place where man and nature have worked together to create something truly extraordinary. Ready for a dip into the mystical? The Bucaco Forest awaits you. Enveloped in an aura of enchantment, Bucaco Forest is a living testament to Portugal's rich biodiversity. Here, over 700 species of trees from around the globe flourish, a veritable botanical wonderland. Nestled within this emerald expanse is the ancient Carmelite convent, a hallowed sanctuary that whispers tales of the devout hermits who once called it home. The convent's surrounding Stations of the Cross, punctuated by chapels and sculptures, lead the way to the crowning glory of Bucaco, the Palace Hotel. This architectural marvel, brimming with Manueline and Moorish influences, is a sight to behold. But Bucaco is more than just its physical allure. It's steeped in history, a silent witness to the Battle of Bucaco in the early 19th century. Legends also abound, with stories of enchanted princesses and forbidden love. Bucaco Forest, a mystical haven that offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Ever dreamt of a tranquil island getaway? Berlengas Island is your dream come true. Nestled off the west coast of Portugal, this little slice of heaven is a testament to the beauty of untouched nature. Imagine strolling along pristine beaches, the sand as soft as powdered sugar, and the sea, a mesmerizing blend of turquoise and azure. But it's not just about the beaches. The island is home to the formidable fort of São João Baptista, a historical marvel that whispers tales of bygone eras. A visit here is like stepping back in time, a captivating journey into Portugal's rich past. And then there's the marine life. The waters around Berlengas teem with a dazzling array of aquatic species, making it a must-visit for nature lovers and snorkeling enthusiasts alike. The island's status as a nature reserve further ensures the conservation of this unique ecosystem. Berlengas Island, a tranquil paradise that showcases nature in its purest form. What an incredible journey we've embarked on, exploring the hidden gems of Portugal. We began our adventure in the charming village of Monsanto, where time seems to stand still amidst the houses built into gigantic boulders. We then journeyed to the mystical forest of Bucaco, a verdant oasis brimming with diverse flora and stunning architectural gems. Who could forget our trip to the tranquil island of Berlengas? Its untouched beauty and the serene ambiance were truly a sight to behold. Each location, with its unique charm and character, has given us a deeper appreciation of the beauty that Portugal has to offer. From the quaint streets of Monsanto to the lush greenery of Bucaco Forest and the pristine beaches of Berlengas Island, we've discovered that Portugal is more than just its popular cities. It's a country full of hidden gems waiting to be explored. Remember, the real voyage of discovery consists not in seeking new landscapes, but in having new eyes. Until next time, keep exploring,